Today, we're tackling a big topic that many business owners don't think about until it's too late. Let me ask you something. What would you do if an employee filed a claim against you for discrimination, harassment, or wrongful termination? These types of lawsuits are more common than ever, and they can devastate a business reputation and financial stability. That's why I'm talking about Employment Practice Liability Insurance, better known as EPLI. This coverage protects your business from the unexpected. So let's get started. Now, what is EPLI and what does it cover? Employment Practices Liability Insurance covers claims made by employees, former employees, or even job applicants who believe their rights have been violated. Some of the most common claims include, number one, discrimination based on race, gender, age, disability, etc. Number two, wrongful termination. Number three, sexual harassment or retaliation. And number four, failure to promote. Now, as former President Biden would say, here's the deal. Your general liability policy doesn't cover these types of claims. This is why EPLI is essential. Even if the allegations are false, defending your business in court can cost thousands of dollars. EPLI helps cover the legal fees, settlements, and judgments so your business can thrive and survive through the storm. Now, let me give you a real-life story, and let me share this with you. A small marketing agency in Cincinnati had to lay off a few employees during the pandemic. One of those employees filed a lawsuit claiming she was let go due to her pregnancy, even though this was a financial decision by the company. However, the company didn't have EPLI. They ended up paying nearly $75,000 in legal defense costs and settlement costs out of pocket. That unexpected hit delayed their recovery for years. Now, imagine if they had EPLI. The policy could have covered their legal expenses and protected their cash flow, helping them move forward instead of having them fall behind. Now, a scare tactic. It's a wake-up call. If you have employees, EPLI isn't optional. It's a protection you hope you never need, but can't afford to be without. Now, who needs EPLI coverage? Now, you may be thinking, I only have a few employees. Do I really need this? The answer is yes. In fact, small businesses are more vulnerable because they don't have a dedicated HR department or legal team. Now, here's who should strongly consider EPLI. Number one, any business with employees, even just one or two. Number two, companies hiring seasonal, part-time, or contracted workers. Number three, businesses with high turnover or have public-facing operations. Number four, employers without formal HR policies in place. Now, here's a tip. EPLI can often be added to your existing business policy or purchased as a standalone policy. It's affordable, and it also fills a gap in your coverage. Now, let's wrap things up. Let's protect your business. Listen, as your business grows, so do the risk. EPLI helps protect everything you worked so hard to build. If you're ready to evaluate your current coverage, or you just want to know if EPLI is right for you, let's talk. Now, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't stop here. Check out my next video for more strategies toward protecting your business. And as I like to say, call Jay today. Thanks for listening.